Somebody say hi, hi, hi. Somebody say hello, hello, hello.
We are at Animal Kingdom today. Excited about that. Haven't been here in a while. Have 3 fast passes for some rides that we've never ridden before.
Today we are riding Cali River Rapids, Kilimanjaro Safaris, and Pandora's Flight of Passage.
It's been a while since we've been here. I wish I'd have came here last weekend. I was unaware until after it happened that last Sunday was Animal Kingdom's 20th anniversary, which happens to be Betsy and I's anniversary. So maybe next time we will remember that and come here for anniversary. Pretty crowded day here today. We were in one of the very last rows in the parking lot, so it should be a packed day here at Animal Kingdom. One cool thing about Animal Kingdom is there's lots of lots of shade. It's a shade tree, so if it gets too hot, find some shade, get cooled off. Good part to be at when it's too hot. Oh, nice refreshing ride on Cali River Rapids, kind of like Thunder River.
Super fun.
Yeah,
Nice. Wet though.
Nice and cool now, nice and refreshing on this hot day here. Now lunchtime. Not gonna eat at the park though, because it's expensive. So we're gonna go, we had a picnic prepared, so we're gonna go out and eat, and we're gonna come back to the park. When you get aggravated that people are crowding around you, it kind of happens when you're stopping in the middle of the lane. You just stop, pull to the side.
Whoa.
Crap,
Oh, get him on film.
that's too late. I got hit by a parrot. As I was saying, if you have to stop, pull to the side of the walkway, do your thing, and then, but do not stop in the middle of the walkway and to get angry when people are too close to you. Don't do that. Cheapest place to eat at Disney? Picnic in the car. We're back at the park, and we're about to hop on Kilimanjaro Safaris. This really isn't a ride. Well, it's a ride. You ride on a vehicle, kind of like look at some animal.
See, or like to see things, like a tour.
Ghosts of the forest, actually, because of how all those reddish brown colors, long white stripes do help them blend in. And they do have them float because they are big and they float around. I don't know. It's a strange name, but it makes sense. Now for the Nile hippopotamus, they're very large. They can weigh up to 5,500 pounds. Most of them not going to be quite that big, about 4,000 pounds. Like I said, please don't hold up your kids like Simba. Masai are messy. There are 9 subspecies, and each subspecies has its own type of spots, whether they're messy, clean, or neat. When they're born, they are really cute little gray fluff balls. They are slowly going to become pinker as they age. Pounds. This is a southern white rhino specifically. We're going to see the zebras up around the corner, so no worries. Now notice it is muddy. It's been rolling around and it's fun getting that sunscreen there. The southern white rhinos are endangered, but not as endangered as the black rhinos. There's about 20,000 of those guys left in the world.
The safari ride was pretty cool. Didn't see as much as I hoped. They said a lot of animals will get sunset, so they're not around. It's a free range area, so they can go where they want. So a lot of them go to quiet places to lay down and sleep. So we didn't see a lot that we wanted to, but it was still pretty cool. A lot bigger beds than we have in this area, that's for sure. Good God, that thing's huge. Very good. That's big. So, they get to show anything else at night, went to Rivers Light, watched that show, which is a really cool show. I've never been to that one at Animal Kingdom. Very interesting show. I know they have the benches there. You know, fast passers that were going to sit there and watch the show. But the best seat is I'm putting a photo in right now. That bridge right there is the best place to watch it. You can great on a view of all of the show. Benches, you get like a diving view of it, but this is the best. This bridge is the best view. After the Rivers of Life, we went to Pandora and rode Flight of Passage. That was an incredible ride. Awesome ride. Loved it. It was fun. Back home now, off the bed.